Hi lovely people, you are welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how we prepare this fried turkey from scratch. You can also use this method to prepare fried chicken. Let's get right into the video. So in this bowl I have some fresh turkey. I'll be preparing a marinade for this. To prepare the marinade, I'll be blending some fresh garlic, ginger, onions, spring onions. I'll also add salt to this. So I've transferred all the ingredients into the blender and I'm adding the salt. I'll add some oil to this and blend. I'm done blending, so I'll transfer all this goodness into the meat and I'm adding some chicken seasoning, rosemary powder and aniseed powder. I will mix this very well and then I'll cover and transfer into the fridge overnight. So as I'm doing this, it's in the evening, I'll leave it till the next day. Doing this will make the turkey tasty both inside and outside. Sometimes you taste some meat and you see that outside is tasty but the inside does not have taste, but with this the meat will be tasty both inside and outside. That's what we want to achieve. I'm done mixing, so I'll cover this and keep it in the fridge till the next day. So see you tomorrow. This is the next day and this is what our meat looks like. I will transfer this into a saucepan and then I'll place it on fire. I will go in with some curry powder and mix this and allow it to cook. But after adding the curry powder, I added a little water and I also added some salt because I realized the salt was not enough. At this point, you can also add more of the chicken seasoning, but I think mine was okay, so I didn't add. Please, if you are enjoying this video so far, kindly click the like button. Thank you. So checking the meat after some time. So I will stir this and allow it to continue cooking until it is about 80% cooked. We are not going to cook this totally because I'll be frying it. After stirring it, I realized I needed to add a little water to this, so I'll add the water and then I'll cover and let it continue to cook. I'll be using the stock from this meat to prepare jollof rice. At this point, our meat is about 80% cooked, so I'll take it off the fire. The next thing is to take the meat out of the stock and let it cool down a bit, then we can go ahead to fry. Then here we have our meat ready for us to fry. We have some oil heating up already. I will drop in some onion to see if the oil is hot enough, and this onion will also add extra flavor to the turkey. I will deep fry this until it turns golden brown. This is well fried, so I'll take it out of the oil and repeat the process. This is basically how to prepare fried turkey. You can use this process as well for chicken, to fry your chicken. So thank you so much for watching. If this video has been helpful to you, kindly give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel and click your notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please post your comments in the comment section below. And here we have our turkey looking so delicious. After giving this a bite, it was so yummy both inside and outside. So if you want your turkey, your fried turkey to taste delicious not only on the outside but also inside, give this recipe a try. See you in our next video.